A well-installed Korky Strongarm 6071 handle should last several years to a decade under normal household use. The Strongarm 6071 is built from reinforced polymer and stainless steel components that resist corrosion and wear. So start by installing it exactly to the manufacturer instructions using a plumber's wrench and hand tools to avoid over-torquing plastic parts. Tighten fasteners to a snug feel and then back off a quarter turn to prevent stress cracks in the plastic. Confirm the flush valve and flapper seat align so the handle motion transfers directly without binding. Periodically check for play at the handle pivot and replace the plastic pivot pin if you see lateral movement, because excessive play accelerates wear. Lubricate pivot points once a year with a silicone-based lubricant that is safe for rubber and plastic. Inspect the chain length and hook position so the flapper seals cleanly at rest and does not drag during operation, and trim or reattach the chain if it catches or allows the flapper to hang open. If your water is hard, install a simple inline filter or schedule descaling to reduce mineral buildup that stiffens moving parts. Keep a spare handle kit and the original installation instructions on hand so replacements follow the same correct orientation and torque values. Finally, test the handle operation after any tank work and document the date of replacement or adjustment to track longevity. Common problems are premature handle looseness from over-torqued or under-supported fasteners, and the fix is to remove and reinstall with correct torque and a backing washer to distribute load. Another frequent issue is chain misadjustment that causes the flapper to not seal or to stay ajar. Resolve this by setting chain slack so there is a small amount of free play when the flapper is seated and rehooking the chain one link at a time while testing flush action. The third concern is mineral buildup making movement stiff. Combat this by flushing the tank, using a descaler or vinegar soak on removable components, and replacing degraded rubber parts if they no longer flex properly. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners connect with local contractors and share real-world experiences about product longevity and installation techniques. Our site also helps contractors find work and contribute to our discussion community, where members swap practical tips about maintaining fixtures like the Korky Strongarm 6071.